Are you ready to take your mobile videography to the next level? Meet the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the compact gimbal camera that fits right in your pocket but delivers pro-level footage. Today, we'll explore its features, upgrades, and why it's a must-have for content creators, starting with the design. The Osmo Pocket 4 is ultra-compact and lightweight, making it perfect for vlogging, travel, or any on-the-go shooting. DJI has refined its build, giving it a sleeker finish and better grip, so you can shoot comfortably for hours. It also features a built-in touchscreen, so you can frame shots, navigate menus, and even edit your clips instantly. When it comes to performance, the Osmo Pocket 4 is a beast in a tiny package. It comes with a 1.3-inch sensor, capable of shooting 4,000 video at 60 fps and capturing 12 megapixel stills. Low light performance has been significantly improved, so your night shots are clear, detailed, and vibrant. Plus, DJI's advanced stabilization ensures every clip is buttery smooth, even while walking or running. DJI has packed the Osmo Pocket 4 with smart features. ActiviTrack 5.0 automatically follows your subject with precision. FaceTrack are perfect for solo creators and vloggers. Panorama and motion lapse capture stunning wide shots or cinematic time lapses. FPV mode adds dynamic movement for creative shots. Additionally, the gimbal now has improved motor response for smoother tilt, pan, and roll movements, making your footage cinematic right out of the box. The Osmo Pocket 4 seamlessly connects to your smartphone via the DJI Mimo app, letting you edit, share, and stream live in minutes. And for those who want to expand their setup, DJI offers optional accessories like wide-angle lenses, a tripod mount, and wireless modules to enhance your shooting experience. So who should get the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Travel vloggers who need a compact, versatile camera. Content creators who want pro-quality footage without bulky setups. Anyone looking to capture smooth cinematic videos effortlessly. On Reddit, some users speculate about a December 2025 release, so there's no confirmed date. It's still a rumor-heavy topic. Leaked, rumored pricing for the standard Pocket 4 is around $699 United States dollars. For a combo creator combo, the expected price is around $799 United States dollars. These are not confirmed by DJI yet, so take them as educated guesses. Because of its compact size plus strong stabilization, it's perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, and solo creators. Travel videography. Lightweight and portable, ideal for capturing travel moments without carrying a big camera. Cinematic shots with better tracking ActiviTrack, slow motion, and possibly HDR log modes. You can get very cinematic footage. Social media, short form. Video, useful for creators who want high-quality content for Instagram, Reels, TikToks. Documentary, event recording, for people doing run and gun filming. Weddings or events where mobility plus stabilization matter a lot. Based on rumors plus leaks, here are the potential benefits of the Pocket 4 over older models. 1. Improved video quality. Better sensor rumored, which could give more detail and better low-light performance. Support for advanced video modes log. HDR for more professional color grading. 2. Longer, more flexible shooting. Rumored to have very good battery life and efficient shooting. Possibly removable or improved battery so you can carry spares. 3. Better tracking and autofocus. Strong tracking ActiviTrack is expected to be more intelligent and reliable. Rumors of improved autofocus, maybe with eye tracking face detection. 4. User interface flash control. A touchscreen is expected to remain or be improved, making it easier to change settings on the go. Good integration with DJI Mimo app for editing, sharing, and live streaming. 5. Audio quality. Likely compatibility with DJI mic or other external mix for better audio in vlogs or interviews. 6. Portability and build. Very compact and pocketable, yet powerful, making it more versatile than big. DSLRs for casual or semi-professional work. Mechanical 3-axis gimbal is expected to give very stable footage. 5. Risks, things to consider. Since it's not officially launched, rumors may change, specs, price, date, all could be different in the real product. Waiting for it could mean you don't get it immediately. Or there could be early bugs, production issues. If you need a camera now, relying on speculative future gear could be risky, especially if your work depends on it. Accessories, even if the camera is powerful. You might need to buy extra lenses, mix, or handles, which add to overall cost. Sensor and image quality. Rumors suggest a 1-inch or better CMOS sensor for Pocket 4 larger than what was in previous Pocket models. This larger sensor can give better low-light performance, more dynamic range, and cleaner footage. Some leaks point to a Hasselblad color solution or co-branding for more natural and richer color grading. 2. Video capabilities. Very ambitious rumors talk about 4000 at 240 FPS for slow motion. They also mention 10-bit color, D-Log-M HDR recording, which is more pro-level compared to basic 8-bit. For vertical, mobile content, some report 3K at 120 fps in vertical orientation. 3. Screen and usability. A larger, brighter touchscreen is rumored, approximately 2.5-inch touchscreen, making framing and controls more comfortable. Improved touch response plus better UI could make it easier for creators, especially for vlogging. 4. Stabilization and tracking. Still a 3-axis gimbal plus likely improvements in stabilization algorithms. ActiviTrack 7.0 is being talked about, meaning smarter subject tracking, better face eye detection, and more reliable following. 5. Battery power. Rumors suggest a longer battery life than Pocket 3, possibly with faster charging. More efficient power management could let you shoot more without constantly recharging.